Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prepping the area, cleanse gently and pat dry so products adhere. Once done, apply a thin layer of primer to smooth skin texture and prevent creasing. Next, pick a color corrector that neutralizes the bruise tone. Peach or orange cancels blue and purple. Apply a small amount directly onto the darkest spot and tap it in with a sponge. You want coverage without cake. Make sure to work from center outward for even blending. You now build coverage in controlled layers so the result looks natural. Once the corrector is blended, apply a thin concealer matching the surrounding skin. Use a damp sponge to stipple. This presses product in and prevents streaks. If one layer doesn't fully cover, let it set briefly, then add another light layer rather than a heavy coat. Make sure to soften the edges by feathering with the sponge to avoid a patched appearance, and always check in natural light. You finish by locking the makeup so it lasts and looks skin-like. Press fine translucent powder over the area with a puff, avoiding sweeping motions that shift product. Once set, mist a light setting spray to meld layers and reduce powdery texture. If you notice patchiness, remove excess with a damp sponge, then add a tiny amount of moisturizing primer or a very thin concealer layer and reset. A quick tip: blot excess oil during the day to maintain coverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.